Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 10 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter trigonometry, and the lessons we're going to cover today are trigonometric ratios, sine, cos and tan. Trigonometric ratios, cosecant, secant and cot, and then trigonometric ratios in similar triangles. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is trigonometric ratios, sine, cos and tan. Okay, here I'm on grade 10 maths. The chapter name is trigonometry, and here is the first lesson, trigonometric ratios, sine, cos and tan. So let's just start with the lesson. Okay, find the sine of angle S. You are given a triangle, you have to calculate the sine of the angle S. Got it? So here is angle S. Here is angle S. Got it? You need to calculate the sine of this side. Got it? So we know that the sine of angle S is opposite divided by hypotenuse. Got it? So if you look from this side, this one is then opposite. This one is opposite. And this one is hypotenuse. Got it? So you need to do 12 divided by 13. It will be over 13. So sine S equals 12 divided by 13. Got it? So be careful. You just have to understand which side is opposite and which side is hypotenuse. So sine S equals opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, what is the cosine of angle C? Here is angle C. Got it? You have to find the cosine of angle C. So cosine of angle C is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Got it? So adjacent of angle C is, this one is adjacent, and hypotenuse from angle C is 14. Got it? 34, this one is. So it will be 16 divided by, so it would be 16 over 34. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, find the cosine of angle S. Got it? So here is angle S. And cos of angle S is adjacent divided by hypotenuse, isn't it? So adjacent of angle S is 12 and hypotenuse is 37. So it would be 12 divided by 37. Got it? So it would be 12 divided by 37. Got it? So the correct option is 12 divided by 37. Okay, find the cosine of angle E. Okay, here is the angle E. Here is angle E. Got it? So cos of angle E is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 7 and the adjacent of angle E is this one is adjacent. Got it? So it would be 8 divided by 17. So it is 8 over 17. Got it? The correct option is 8 over 17. Okay, the next one is find the cosine sine of angle E. Got it? So here is angle E. E. You need to calculate sine of angle E. So sine of angle E is opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? So from angle E, opposite would be 72 and hypotenuse is 97. So it would be 72 divided by 97. The option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? It would be opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite is 72. It would be 72 over 97. The second option is the correct option. Got it? Okay, so you need to calculate the cos of angle S. It would be angle X. Here is angle X. Where is, wait, here is angle X. Got it? You need to calculate the cos of angle X. So cos of angle X is adjacent over hypotenuse. Got it? So adjacent of X is, so adjacent from angle X is 33 and it would be 33 over 65. Got it? So the correct option is 33 over 65. Okay, the next one is find the tangent of angle X. Okay, so the tangent of here is angle X and here is angle X. You need to calculate, wait. Here is angle X. You need to calculate tan of angle X. So tan of angle X would be, it would be adjacent divided by the opposite. Got it? So adjacent of angle X is 39 it would be opposite divided by adjacent. So it would be tan of angle x would be, hold on, I'm a bit confused. If it is opposite divided by adjacent, it is correct. It would be tan of angle x is opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite here from x is, here is x. Opposite is 80 and adjacent is 39. So it would be 80 over 39. Got it? The correct option is 80 over 39. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is trigonometric ratios, cosecant, secant, and cot. So find the cosecant of angle G. You have to calculate the cosecant of angle G. Got it? Here is angle G. So how do you calculate the cosecant of angle G? Cosecant is 1 divided by sine of angle G. Got it? Let's just calculate the sine of angle G. Got it? So sine of angle G is, it would be opposite divided by hypotenuse. So when you calculate sine of G, opposite from G is 72 and 97. It would be 72 over 97. Got it? That is sine of angle G. So for cosecant of angle G, you just have to reciprocal. It would be 97 over 72. So it would be 97 over 72. Got it? Secant G is, let's see which method they followed. Um, 97 over 72. They simply used cosecant G equals hypotenuse over opposite, because cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, find the secant of angle D. So secant of angle D is secant of angle D. Secant is opposite to cos. Got it? So it would be hypotenuse divided by the hypotenuse divided by the it would be hypotenuse divided by the opposite. Got it? Okay, so hypotenuse from angle D, here is angle D. It is 17 and divided by the adjacent. Yes, I am confused between this one. It would be hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. Got it? That is what I'm thinking of. Secant. Secant D is divided by the opposite. Got it? So hypotenuse is 17 and opposite from angle D is 8. So it would be 17 over 8. it would be 17 over 8. Got it? So the correct option is 17 over 8. Okay, the next one is find the secant of angle F. So angle F, where is angle F? Here is angle F. And you need to calculate secant of, what's wrong with whiteboard? I don't know. We have to calculate the secant of angle F. So secant is opposite to cos. So cos is, it would be hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Got it? So hypotenuse from angle F is 73 and it would be 73 over 48. Got it? So it would be 73 over 48. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, actually I'm a bit confused between them. I reciprocal them by cos, sine and tan. That's why it is taking a bit long. Got it? So secant secant z is the reciprocal of cos z. So cos z would be hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. Got it? So hypotenuse in the case is 89 and adjacent is 39. So it would be 89 divided by 39. Got it? Secant z equals 89 divided by 39. That would be the second option. Got it? Okay, the next one is find the secant of angle E. Okay, here is secant of angle E. So secant of angle E means secant of angle E, that would be cos of E. It would be hypotenuse divided by the adjacent. So from E, hypotenuse would be 53 and adjacent is 28. So it would be it would be 53 over 28. Got it? So the correct option is 53 over 28. Okay, the next one is find the cosecant of angle W. So cosecant is sine. Okay, it would be, here is angle W. It would be cosecant of angle W, that would be hypotenuse divided by the opposite. Got it? So hypotenuse is 65 and opposite is 56. So it would be 65 over 56. Got it? So the correct option is 65 over 56. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is triangular trigonometric ratios in similar right triangles. Okay, find the cos of angle H. Okay, just look at the triangles. Both the triangles are similar, got it? So you have to find the cos of angle H. So if you see cos of angle H would be GH divided by HI, but you don't know both the side lengths, got it? So, but we know that angle H is congruent to angle D, angle G is congruent to angle E, got it? So that means all the right triangles are congruent. They are the similar triangles, got it? So similar triangle means ratios of corresponding side lengths are equal. Got it? So just form a ratio between the corresponding sides. So it would be cos h equals gh over gi. So it would be de over df. Got it? So it would be 21 over 29. That means cos h equals 21 over 29. Got it? Just form a similarity between form a ratio between the similar sides. This way you can find the. Okay, let's just start with the next example. Or let's start with the test questions. Okay, look at the angle, find the sine of angle U. Got it? You have to find the sine of angle U. So here is the angle U. Got it? Okay, if you rotate the triangle, the similar sides are VU is similar to SR, VW is similar to RT. Okay, you have to find the sine of angle U. So sine of angle U would be, it would be, sine of angle U would be adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent would be VW, VU divided by UW. Got it? So if just look at this triangle, it would be 45 over 28. If you look at the similar sides, this side is similar to this one, VW. Got it? This side is similar to this side. Got it? So it would be 45 over 28. Got it? You have to just look at the similar sides because both the triangles are similar. So it would be 45 over 28. We know that the corresponding triangles have equal side lengths. Got it? It would be 45 over. Mm, it would be opposite over hypotenuse. I did adjacent over hypotenuse. Got it? Okay. Find the cos of angle D. Okay, now the triangles look very similar. Okay, cos of angle D. So cos of D is adjacent over hypotenuse. Got it? So adjacent is DE and the matching side, the similar side to DE is AB. It would be 55. And hypotenuse is AC and here you have DF. It would be 73. It is 55 over 73. Got it? So the correct option is 55 over 73. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is find the sine of angle G. Okay, so sine of angle G is opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? It would be then EF divided by GF. So if both the triangles are similar, so it would be then 4 over 5. Got it? So it would be 4 over 5. Got it? So the correct option is 4 over 5. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the tangent of angle Q? Okay, here is angle Q. So the tangent of angle Q would be adjacent divided by the opposite. Got it? So adjacent is RQ. It would be 65 and opposite is 72. It would be, hold on, let me just do it again. Okay, tan Q is adjacent over opposite. Got it? It would be 65 divided by 72. Got it? The correct option is, it would be 72 over 65. Got it? The second opposite over adjacent. Got it? So the second option is the correct one. It would be 72 over 65. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the cos of angle H. So cos of angle H is adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Got it? So from H, it would be then 21 over 20. So the correct option is 21 over 29 over 20 it is. 21 over 29. It would be cos H is GH over GI. GH over GI. So it would be 21 over 20. Yes, it would be 21 over. Here in the question you have mistake. It would be 21 over 20. Got it? But here you have a mistake. So it would be not. It would be 21 over 20. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 10 maths. The chapter we're working on is trigonometry. The lessons we have covered today are trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, and tan. Trigonometric ratios, cosecant, secant, and cot. Trigonometric ratios in similar right triangles. Got it? Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.